Dear students, the principal said, please put down your pencils and go back to bed. Today, we'll spend a day playing outside and take the whole school in a carnival. We'll learn pretty candy while watching TV, and listen to records and sing commercials. We'll also be learning to draw on the wall, to scream in the class, and run in the hall. So bring your skateboard, scooter, your bike. It's time to be different and do what you like. The teachers are going to give you a rest. You don't have to study, there won't be a test. And if you prefer for a bit of a change, feel free to go out and research. So put